Imagine a mood board that doesn't just collect your ideas, it helps dream them up with you. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Google is experimenting with a new creative playground called Mixboard, an AI-powered visual concepting tool that will change the humble mood board. It's certainly designed to be for brainstorming, as Mixboard uses generative AI to create visuals, color palettes, sample text, and more, all from a simple text prompt. Now, if you want to explore cozy minimalist home office vibes or see Halloween costumes for dogs, just type it in and Mixboard will generate content with the help of Google's surprisingly capable image generator, Nano Banana. Originally known for crafting 3D figurines, Nano Banana now works behind the screens to make your ideas visual and interesting. It's not like Canva or Pinterest, as Mixboard co-creates ideas with you from the start. It's not just drag and drop, it's think and generate. You can guide the AI with prompts, import your own images, regenerate ideas, or hit more like this to explore variations. Mixboard is like an AI-powered sketchpad, which is messy, fast, and surprisingly inspiring. By the way, it's still in experimental testing within the US. Mixboard is part of Google's answer for AI creativity. While tools like Gemini and Notebook LM focus on productivity, Mixboard falls hard into the visual imagination world. Since Meta and Pinterest are also adding AI into their platforms, Google's Mixboard is also here to shine, and it may just change how we generate ideas forever. Did you find this update exciting? Tell us in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.